When using WPS Spreadsheet to process data, we can customize cell format with codes. In this video, you will learn about several practical codes for custom cell format. Take the worksheet here as an example. Select column E, right-click on it, and choose Format Cells in the menu. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+1 to pop up the dialog. Get into the tab of Custom, then we can see M, D, quadruple Ys in the input box. Here M, D, and quadruple Ys are respectively placeholders for month, day, and year. Here are the explanations about the placeholder digits. If we input double M, August will present as 08 in the cell, and if we enter triple M, August will present as its abbreviation AUG. When we enter quadruple M, the result presenting in the cell will be August. The table on the screen presents a list of codes which can be used to set cell formats for dates. As we can see, there are several number signs and zeros in the selection box. They stand for placeholders of numbers. Number sign as a placeholder will only indicate a significant zero in a decimal. Select cell G5, open the Format Cells window, and enter number signs. Then the number in the cell will present as 2021.9. As you can see, it does not show significant zeros. When we change the code as quadruple zeros point double zeros, the number in the cell will present as 2021.90. In this case, what do zeros in the codes mean? They are actually placeholders, and insignificant zeros would add to the right of the decimal place. Therefore, a zero is often used to present a decimal, while the number sign is for a positive number. The codes introduced just now seem to be complex. However, if we get their formation rules, they can help with custom cell format settings. Here's the structure of custom codes, which is divided into 4 parts with semicolons. Each part defines the cell format respectively when we enter a positive number, a negative number, a zero, and text content. Here's an example for your better understanding of it. Select a cell range and use shortcut keys to pop up the Format Cells window. Then enter the codes into the input box. As is shown previously, the codes are divided into several parts with semicolons. The first part defines the cell format when we enter a positive number. The second part means that the negative number entered into the cell will turn red. The third part sets the cell format when a zero is entered. This example will present a minus symbol when inputting a zero. The fourth part indicates the content to be shown when we input text content rather than a number. This example shows only fill in numbers. Click OK to complete the settings. Then, when we enter a negative number, it would turn red. When we input a zero, it would present as a minus symbol, and when we input text content rather than a number, we would see the note, only fill in numbers. Did you get it?